Oranmiyan, a name whispered with reverence, echoing through the annals of history. A name synonymous with the Yoruba people's rich and vibrant history, a history that spans centuries. He is more than a king, he is a legend, a symbol of resilience and leadership. Oranmiyan embodies the spirit of the Yoruba people, their strength, their ambition, and their enduring cultural unity. His legacy is woven into the very fabric of their society. He is known as the Alaafin Ajala, the owner of the palace that reaches the sky, a title that signifies his unparalleled influence. This title speaks to his power and the grandeur of the Oyo Empire he founded, an empire that stood as a beacon of culture and civilization. His story, passed down through generations, tells of a ruler who shaped the destiny of a people, leaving an indelible mark on their heritage and identity. Oranmiyan's story begins in Ife, the sacred city of the Yoruba people. This ancient city, rich in history and culture, is often considered the cradle of Yoruba civilization. It is here that the roots of his legendary journey were planted. He was a prince, the son of Oduduwa, the progenitor of the Yoruba. Oduduwa's legacy was one of leadership and wisdom, and Oranmiyan was expected to follow in his father's illustrious footsteps. His early life is shrouded in myth and legend, adding to his mystique. Stories of his childhood are filled with extraordinary events and supernatural occurrences, making him a figure of fascination and reverence. One popular account claims he was a skilled warrior from birth. His prowess in battle was unmatched, and he was said to possess strength and bravery beyond his years. Another tells of a magical birth, marking him as divinely chosen to rule. This version of the story speaks of celestial signs and divine interventions that heralded his arrival. Regardless of the version, all agree. Oranmiyan was destined for greatness. His legacy continues to inspire, a testament to his enduring impact on Yoruba history and culture. Driven by ambition and a desire to expand Yoruba influence, Oranmiyan ventured out from Ife. He led his followers through dense forests and across vast savannas. His journey led him to the fertile lands that would become the Oyo Empire. He founded Ile-Ife, the capital city, establishing a powerful kingdom. Oranmiyan's reign was marked by military conquests and political acumen. He built a formidable army, expanding the empire's borders and establishing its dominance. Oranmiyan's impact extends beyond his military achievements. His influence is deeply woven into the cultural and social fabric of the Yoruba people. He is credited with spreading Yoruba culture throughout the region, ensuring that the traditions and values of the Yoruba people were preserved and celebrated. His reign saw the flourishing of art, music and religion, with artists and musicians finding new ways to express their creativity and spirituality. These elements continue to define Yoruba identity, serving as a testament to the enduring legacy of Oranmiyan's rule. He established a centralized government, bringing together various communities under a unified administration. Introducing administrative systems that brought order and stability, he laid the foundation for a prosperous and cohesive society. Oranmiyan's legacy is etched in the cultural memory of the Yoruba people, celebrated in festivals and ceremonies that honor his contributions. He is remembered as a warrior king, whose bravery and strategic acumen were unmatched. A wise ruler and the father of a mighty empire, his story is passed down through generations. His story continues to inspire, motivating the youth to embrace their heritage and strive for greatness. Reminding us of the enduring power of leadership, ambition, and cultural unity, Oranmiyan's legacy lives on in the hearts and minds of the Yoruba people.